At Wisconsin Metal Parts, our core competency is metal stamping, supported by our tool and die making department and also our secondary operations for metal fabrication and our CNC department. We run over 60 million stampings out of this facility. We have press sizes that range from 30 to 200 tons and a maximum bed size of 95 inches. All our presses have full feed lines, and we can feed up to 1/4 inch thick material, 18 inches wide, and everything has die protection on it. Some of the industries we serve include the defense industry, heat transfer, electronics, hardware, and medical. What works best is when we are involved early and we can help you go from the prototype all the way through the production phase. Prototypes can be made by multiple means, including our wire EDM department, utilizing our laser and brakes, and other soft tooling options. We can also make prototypes simulating the same process that would be used for production. Our full service tool room designs and builds and maintains all of our tooling and gauges in-house. We also offer secondary operations such as custom broaching, vibratory deburring, and cleaning. And we also manage subcontracting such as plating. So we've been designing and building deep draw, progressive stampings, single hit, and transfer tooling since 1988. If you'd like some more information, or if you'd like some educational information about metal stamping process, please visit our website at wisconsinmetalparts.com or give us a call and let's talk about your next project, and we can take you from prototype all the way through production. At Wisconsin Metal Parts, challenges are accepted.